Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with Ben and Emma.
I'm Emma, and today we are talking about a place we all love.
And I'm Ben, and I am a little embarrassed.
Embarrassed? Ben, why?
My friend from America, he is visiting London next month.
That's great.
He asked me, Ben, what is your home like?
A normal question.
No, it's a terrifying question. I didn't know what to say.
What did you say?
I said, my home is small.
Small. Okay, small is a word.
It's a bad word. It sounds poor. I was embarrassed.
Ben, small is not a bad word. Maybe your home is not small. Maybe it is cozy.
Cozy?
Yes, cozy means small, but warm and comfortable. It is a good word.
Oh, cozy. I like that.
Or maybe your home is modern or spacious.
Spacious?
Spacious means big with lots of open space, the opposite of cozy.
I don't know these words. I can't describe my home.
Yes, you can. Today we are going to give you 5 powerful tips to describe your home and sound like a pro. So, tip 1 is using good words. You said your home is small,
Yes, I was embarrassed.
but cozy is a fantastic word. It makes people feel warm.
My home is warm and comfortable, so it is cozy.
Exactly. Now, what if your home is old?
My home sounds bad, too.
Yes, but what if you say traditional?
Traditional?
Yes, traditional means it has an older, classic style. It's a respectful word.
Oh, traditional.
Or vintage.
Vintage, like vintage clothes?
Exactly. It means old but very stylish and cool.
My home is not vintage. It is just old.
Okay, let's talk about the opposite. What if your home is big?
Big is a good word.
It is, but spacious is better.
Spacious.
It means open and full of space and light.
Oh, I want a spacious home.
Me too. And what if your home is new?
New is good.
New is good. Or modern.
Modern.
Yes, modern means new style, new furniture, very clean.
Okay. So cozy, traditional, spacious, modern. These are good words.
They are. Now, tip 2. When you describe your home, you must give a tour.
A tour? With my words?
Yes, you start at the front door. What is the first room?
The living room?
The living room. Perfect. This is where you relax.
Yes. And the kitchen?
The kitchen, where you cook.
And the bedroom?
The bedroom, where you sleep.
And the bathroom?
The bathroom, where you wash.
Living room, kitchen, bedroom, bathroom. That is my home.
That is 90% of all homes, Ben. You are doing great.
But Emma, what is apartment versus house?
Good question. A house is one building. It's all yours.
Okay.
An apartment is one home inside a big building with many other homes.
I live in an apartment.
Me too. Many people in cities live in apartments.
And floor? This word is so confusing.
Haha, why?
The floor is what I stand on.
Yes, that is correct.
But my friend says I live on the 3rd floor?
Yes, it's the same word.
What?
Floor is the ground, and floor is also the level of the building.
The level. Oh, I live on the 5th floor.
See? You are describing your home already.
Okay, so tip 3. What is in the rooms?
Exactly. Furniture.
Furniture?
The big things in your home. Let's start with the living room.
Okay. I have a sofa
The sofa or couch. Perfect. Where you sit.
and a small table.
Ah, the coffee table.
Coffee table, yes.
And maybe a bookshelf for your books.
Yes, I have a sofa, a coffee table, and a bookshelf.
You have a very nice living room.
Now, the kitchen. This is scary.
Why?
So many things.
Let's learn the big ones. The big white box for cold food.
The refrigerator?
Perfect. Or fridge.
Fridge. I like fridge. It is short.
Me too. Everyone says fridge.
What about the hot box for pizza?
The hot box is the oven.
Oven. And the part on top for the pans.
The fire? The stove.
Stove.
Yes. And all the space where you cut vegetables.
The table?
The countertop.
Countertop. Wow! Fridge, oven, stove, countertop.
You have a full kitchen.
What about my clothes in my bedroom?
Ah, where do you put your clothes?
In the box.
Not the box, Ben. Is it a small room you walk inside?
No, it is wood with doors.
Ah, a wardrobe.
Wardrobe.
Yes, if you can walk inside, it is a closet.
Closet.
If it is a piece of furniture, it is a wardrobe.
I have a wardrobe.
See? Easy. But Ben, a beautiful, cozy, modern home needs work.
Work?
Yes, this is tip 4, daily chores.
Chores?
Chores are the small jobs you must do at home.
Oh no, I hate chores.
Everyone hates chores, Ben.
What is the word for cleaning the plates?
Do the dishes.
Do the dishes. I hate doing the dishes.
Me too. What about the bag with all the garbage?
The trash.
Yes, you must take out the trash.
Take out the trash. I hate that too.
What about your clothes? They are dirty.
I do the laundry.
Do the laundry. Very good.
And the floor. It is dirty.
Ah, what do you do? With water?
Yes, I mop the floor.
Mop the floor.
Or with the machine. Vroom.
The vacuum. You vacuum the floor.
Mop or vacuum? Wow, so many chores.
I know, but now you can talk about them.
Okay, Emma, I think I am ready. This is tip 5, the role play.
Let's do it. I am your American friend. Knock, knock. Ben, it's so great to see you.
Hi, John, welcome.
Wow, your apartment is great.
Oh, thank you. It's not very spacious, but it is very cozy.
It is. It's so warm. I love your living room.
Thanks. This is the sofa and my bookshelf.
Very nice. And what's in here?
This is the kitchen.
Wow, it's very modern.
Yes, I have a new fridge and a new oven. I love to cook.
That's great.
But I hate doing the dishes after.
Me too.
And this is my bedroom.
A very comfortable bed.
Yes, and that is my wardrobe.
Ben, your home is wonderful.
Thank you, John. Oh, wait.
What is it?
It's 7 p.m. I have to take out the trash.
Even in a beautiful home, you must do chores.
End scene. Emma, I did it. I described my home. I talked about chores.
You were perfect, Ben. You sounded like a pro.
I am not embarrassed anymore. I am proud of my cozy apartment.
proud. That is the best feeling.
I can't wait for my friend to visit now.
That is the goal. And for your homework this week,
Yes, we want you to describe your home.
please tell us in the comments, what is your home like? Is it cozy, spacious, modern?
Or tell us, what is your least favorite chore?
Ooh, good question. I think mine is doing the laundry.
Mine is doing the dishes.
We will read every single comment.
Thank you for listening to English with Ben and Emma. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video.
We will see you next week.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.